Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Explore the connection between wheel size and speedometer accuracy in How Wheel Size Impacts Your Speedometer Accuracy. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or just curious about the mechanics, understanding this correlation is crucial for accurate speed measurements. Join us as we unravel the nuances of how your wheel size directly influences what you see on your speedometer. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. How wheel size impacts your speedometer accuracy. Are you considering upgrading your vehicle's wheels but concerned about the potential impact on your speedometer? You're not alone. Many drivers wonder, does increasing wheel size affect the speedometer? In this video, we will delve into this common concern and provide a clear understanding of how changing your wheel size can influence your speedometer readings. Understanding this impact is crucial for maintaining safe and reliable driving experiences. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking to make informed decisions about your vehicle, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the potential effects of adjusting your wheel size on your speedometer accuracy. Understanding speedometer and wheel size. The speedometer is an essential component of any vehicle and plays a crucial role in indicating the vehicle's speed. It consists of a speed sensor and a display unit, which is usually a needle on a speedometer dial. The speed sensor measures the rotational speed of the transmission or wheels and converts it to an electrical signal, which is then displayed on the speedometer dial. Functionality of speedometer. The speedometer operates on the principle of measuring the rotational speed of the vehicle's transmission or wheels. As the vehicle moves, the speed sensor detects the rotational speed and sends corresponding electrical signals to the display unit, which then translates this data into the speed shown on the dial. It provides the driver with real-time information about the vehicle's speed, allowing for safe and efficient driving. Impact of wheel size on speedometer. The size of the wheels directly affects the speedometer reading. When the wheel size changes, it alters the rotational speed of the wheels. A larger wheel will cover more ground in one revolution compared to a smaller wheel, resulting in a different rotational speed. This change in rotational speed directly impacts the speedometer reading, potentially leading to an inaccurate display of the vehicle's speed. Understanding the relationship between wheel size and the speedometer reading is essential for maintaining accurate speed measurements while driving. Changes in wheel size, such as upgrading to larger wheels, can affect the speedometer accuracy and may require recalibration to ensure precise speed readings. By comprehending the functionality of the speedometer and its correlation with wheel size, drivers can make informed decisions regarding wheel modifications and ensure the accuracy of their vehicle's speedometer. Effect of larger wheels on speedometer accuracy. When you increase the size of your vehicle's wheels, it directly impacts the accuracy of the speedometer reading. Let's delve into the reasons behind this and the implications it brings. Changes in circumference and rotations. Larger wheels result in a greater circumference. With every rotation of the wheel, a vehicle covers a certain distance. When the circumference increases due to larger wheels, the vehicle covers more ground with each rotation. This results in the speedometer displaying a lower speed than the actual speed of the vehicle. Imagine a longer ruler. The same distance is covered, but it takes fewer increments to measure it. Similarly, larger wheels cover the same distance with fewer rotations, influencing the speedometer reading. Implications for speedometer calibration. The potential need for recalibration arises when you modify your vehicle's wheel size. The speedometer is calibrated by the manufacturer to work optimally with a specific wheel size and circumference. When you install larger wheels, the speedometer's accuracy is compromised. Recalibration becomes necessary to ensure the speedometer accurately reflects the vehicle's speed. The impact of inaccurate speed measurement can lead to various issues, including potential legal ramifications for exceeding speed limits and safety concerns. By understanding the effect of larger wheels on speedometer accuracy, you can make informed decisions about modifying your vehicle's wheels and taking the necessary steps to maintain accurate speed measurements. Hey there! If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Legal and practical considerations. When it comes to altering the wheel size of a vehicle, there are legal and practical aspects that need careful consideration. Understanding the regulations and compliance requirements, as well as the safety and performance concerns, is crucial for any vehicle owner or enthusiast. Legal regulations and compliance. The accuracy of a vehicle's speedometer is subject to legal regulations to ensure road safety and compliance. In many jurisdictions, there are specific requirements that dictate the permissible margin of error for speedometer readings. Altering the wheel size can directly impact the accuracy of the speedometer, potentially leading to non-compliance with these regulations. When the overall diameter of the wheels and tires is changed, the revolutions per mile, RPM, of the wheels are also affected. This alteration can result in an inaccurate speedometer reading, leading to potential legal implications if the vehicle's speedometer no longer aligns with the actual speed of the vehicle. It's essential to be aware of the legal requirements in your area and ensure that any modifications to the wheel size adhere to these regulations. Safety and performance concerns. Apart from the legal considerations, there are practical implications of driving with an inaccurate speedometer. Safety is a primary concern, as a speedometer that does not reflect the actual speed of the vehicle can lead to unsafe driving behaviors and compromised road safety. Drivers may unknowingly exceed speed limits, leading to potential accidents and hazardous situations. Moreover, performance concerns arise when the speedometer does not accurately display the vehicle's speed. Modern vehicles integrate speed-sensitive systems that rely on precise speedometer readings for optimal performance, such as traction control, stability control, and anti-lock braking systems. Altering the wheel size can disrupt the functionality of these systems, impacting the overall performance and safety of the vehicle. Understanding the legal and practical implications of altering wheel size on speedometer accuracy is crucial for making informed decisions about vehicle modifications. Adhering to legal regulations and considering safety and performance concerns is essential for maintaining a safe and compliant driving experience. Methods to address speedometer variations. Ensuring your speedometer accurately reflects your vehicle's speed after increasing wheel size is crucial for both safety and compliance. Here are some effective methods to address speedometer variations due to modified wheel sizes. Recalibration and adjustments. Recalibrating the speedometer or making adjustments to accommodate larger wheels is a common approach to rectifying speedometer discrepancies. Vehicles with electronic speedometers can often be recalibrated through the use of a diagnostic tool or by a professional mechanic. This process involves reprogramming the vehicle's electronic control unit, ECU, to adjust the speedometer's readings in relation to the new wheel size. For vehicles with mechanical speedometers, adjustments can be made by replacing the speedometer gear to match the new wheel size, ensuring accurate speed readings. Technological solutions and aftermarket products. Technological advancements and aftermarket products offer innovative solutions to address speedometer variations resulting from modified wheel sizes. Speedometer calibrators and correctors are available as aftermarket products, designed to interface with the vehicle's electronic system and recalibrate the speedometer to match the new wheel size. These devices provide a convenient and accurate means of adjusting the speedometer without the need for extensive reprogramming. Furthermore, some modern vehicles are equipped with GPS-based speedometers that can automatically adjust to changes in wheel size, providing an efficient technological solution to speedometer variations. By utilizing these methods, drivers can effectively address speedometer discrepancies caused by changes in wheel size, ensuring accurate speed readings and optimal vehicle performance. In conclusion, vehicle owners and drivers must understand the impact of increasing wheel size on the speedometer. By increasing wheel size, the speedometer reading can become inaccurate, leading to potential legal and safety issues on the road. It's important to recalibrate the speedometer or utilize a correction tool to ensure accurate speed readings. Being aware of this impact can help maintain safe driving practices and avoid any potential consequences. Understanding the relationship between wheel size and speedometer accuracy empowers drivers to make informed decisions for the optimal performance of their vehicles. As we conclude our journey through the interplay of wheel size and speedometer accuracy, you now have a clearer understanding of this essential aspect of cycling. Keep this knowledge in mind on your next ride, and may your speedometer always reflect the true thrill of your cycling adventures. Happy driving! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.